HTML iframe. The easiest way to play videos in HTML is to use YouTube. You can embed a YouTube video on your web page using the iframe tag. Here is an example of how to embed a YouTube video in HTML. The width and height attributes specify the size of the video player in pixels. The src attribute specifies the URL of the YouTube video. The Allow Full Screen attribute allows the video player to be viewed in full screen mode. You can visit additionalsheet.com website for detailed explanation and use Playground for online code change. The iframe tag allows you to play videos on your web page without the need for a third-party plugin. The iframe tag can help to improve the user experience of a web page. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.